Praise the Lord, everybody. Here I am again with a new craft, but this is mostly a DIY. For this, I am using these cardboard boxes, which I am showing you in the video, and I bought a beautiful floral sheet, which is a gift wrapping sheet, which you can find in any stationery shop. It costed me just 5 rupees. So I have mentioned the required items once again before we begin. Please check. So let's begin with our DIY. So here we begin by making few markings on the cardboard boxes. Like use a scale if you want your markings to be done perfectly. And here you can see in the clip, these are the markings actually. And we proceed using scissors for our next step. If you're watching my videos for the first time, this YouTube channel is mostly about Bible crafts from the view of a Sunday school teacher. So you can check other videos in my YouTube channel. So continue the same process of cutting the desired sizes and shapes for the next 3 boxes or the box. This step you can use any newspapers or any extra paper sheets to stick as a base layer before we stick the actual gift paper wrap. So I bought this tape dispenser machine from Meesho. It actually serves the purpose, like you can use it, it's the best. Like if you are into crafts, it will be very useful to you. So move on with the process of sticking your base sheets for your cardboard, and so mostly the next part is all about gift wrapping these boxes. So the most interesting part, so use your cardboard boxes. If you're not perfect with the cutting part, I would suggest you to make some markings using scale. But if you are already into these gift wrappings and all, you can directly go with the estimated size and cut them. Mostly in all of my craft videos, you will see me using the things which are available in our surroundings only, like the cardboard boxes. Even for the Bible crafts, I wish to choose them only because not everyone can afford things to make their Bible craft simple. So here I am showing the folding part. This is just for beginners. The step is for the beginners itself. So continue with the same process for the next few minutes by sticking them using tape or glue for the boxes, for all the boxes which you have chosen. I am going to use this organizer for my Bible study and my quiet time. This was my purpose actually. I started to make this DIY organizer. You can use it for any of your household items which it can carry, which like the cardboard can carry easily. Use glue to attach them and let them dry completely for a few minutes at least. So we are almost into the last few steps of our DIY today. So please check the video clips, and I hope you are almost there. Choose any kind of gift wrapping sheets which are available with you. Apart from the glitter one, the paper one will be the most easy to use. So here we go, we have made a beautiful DIY organizer today using just a few things, a very few things. I really hope that you like this organizer box. To support this channel, you can like, share and subscribe to my YouTube for more DIY videos, especially related to Sunday school. I'll be coming up with more Sunday school craft videos in which between this is a small DIY. Thank you for watching, and see you all again with the next craft. Please do check out for more craft images or ideas in my Instagram page, which is Kavod Bible Crafts. Thank you.